G'day, it's Jay and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do this no heat textured low bun. This style is actually a variation of the simple twisted low bun. However, the main differences are the hair prep. Here I'm starting on straight hair, and on the simple twisted low bun, I actually did it with curly hair. The sections I grabbed in this were substantially smaller and how I created the bun. Here I'm adding some dry shampoo as this client had particularly oily hair. Once you're happy with the texture of the hair, you're wanting to grab a little bit of Tame Wild and just put it on your hand. Now we're wanting to slowly add that into the hair as we twist. So here I'm just grabbing a small section of hair and just twisting it in towards the center. I like to give it just a tiny bit of a pull and then repeat this process. A great trick I use for this style is to use a topsy tail to help bring a little bit extra depth. So here I've twisted on the top of the hair and I've pulled it out a little bit and then topsy tailed it through a different section. This is going to help all the hair keep going lower instead of having huge chunks all throughout the hair from where you've twisted. As I got further down the head, I started to take larger sections, as well as I like to use a medium hold hairspray, such as Volume Up. Now you could use this all throughout the hair, however this particular client's hair was not too frizzy and held pretty well. However, you can definitely do this with every section and that will really increase the hold of the style. Once you've twisted all the top section of the hair and you just have around 1 to 2 inches left at the bottom, hair tie 2 sections. Then create a rope braid with those 2 sections. This is going to help hold it in place. Then hair tie at the bottom, give it a spray with a light medium hold hairspray, and then twist around each other to make a small bun. Once you're happy with the placement of the bun, pin it in place.